Right through here, up the steps, and you see my studio door will be open. See our dogs Sophie and Bo. We go downstairs. Okay, this is the studio, and you can see my young guitar students are up on the wall, and over here is my workspace for my winds, clarinet, saxophone, flute, and all my guitars. Well, not all of them, but okay. And we have my husband's string bass, because over here we practice just the two of us, our duet, for gigs, and the piano for my students, keyboard. A lot of times my students play the keyboard with the headphones on while they're waiting on a lesson. Did you get my work area here? It's where I compose and do arrangements for the two of us, and also for my business online with Hal Leonard. Okay, and through here is our waiting room. I'm still working on it, but we have some furniture to repair, but it's workable. And our daughter's painting. Okay, pictures that remind me of when I was in Rome, and playing in the Rome Festival Orchestra there. That was one of the top experiences in my life, playing the clarinet in Rome Festival Orchestra. I think that's about it, huh?